What is up, fellows? My name is Ashmit from Cheeky Pizza, and today we are gonna learn the table tag in HTML and also some of its attributes. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. So here I have completed the basic coding structure of an HTML web page, and I have named the file as index.html, and here's the title of the page, which is the table tag itself. Now we will start with the table tag here, and it is simple tag, and there are two main tags under the table tag, which are the caption and here we can specify what type of table we are making and the name of the table. So we will name it as Cheeky Pizza. And now there is another tag called TR tag, which stands for table row. So here we can write another tag, which is the TH. It stands for the table heading. Now what we will do is that we will write the heading like name and done. Now we have already closed the TH tag and the TR tag. Now we will begin with another TR tag, and in it will be another TD tag. So the TH tag stands for the table heading and TD stands for table data. So here is the TD and Schmidt Singh. Okay. Now let's save this and see the preview. Here. My table is now here. This is the caption, this is the name, which is the table heading, and this is the table data. And what I can do is to make this table more sortified, we can add the border to this table. We have to add an attribute to the table tag, which is the border, and give it a value of 4. Let's save this and see the preview. Here the caption is here, name is the table heading, and the table data. Now every time you write TR, a new row will be inserted after this, and if you write another TD inside the TR, another column will be inserted. Like, wait, let me show you what we can do. We will make another TH of what we can make. Videos. Okay, so we will list main videos inside this of the specific. Okay, now a new column has been added to my table, which is the videos. Okay, I will keep it videos type and save here. So now I will add another TD to my second TR. So here is my TD tag, and then there we will write technical info and then save, and then let's see the preview here. Now we can also do some more modifications. For example, we can add another attribute, for example border color. So this basically specifies the color of the border which we have entered, and it will be of blue color. Let's save this and see the preview. And here my border is now blue, and we can also specify the cell spacing or cell padding. Cell spacing, it means the spacing between two cells. We can write it 10. Let's see what happens. Here my table now looks a bit larger. Now let's see what happens with cell padding. And done. What we will give it the value of 10. Okay, now carefully observe what happens. The size of each cell increases as we put the value of cell padding, and also the value, the spacing between each cell also increases in the cell spacing attribute. Now what we can do extra is we can also put the align attribute, and I want it to be on the center. So again, the center's spellings are CENTER in the computer language. And let's see here. So what we can again do is that inside of this we can also extra modify it with the font tag or H1 tag or H2 or anything you like. We can also give some hrefs. For example, we will give an href to this one. A href equals to, I will give the href to my YouTube channel. So here it is. Done. Okay. Now let's save and see. Here a linking has been done in technical info. Now let's click this, and your file is not found because I haven't added HTTP or HTTPS before my URL. So now you know that it is important if you are linking your href with some website which is not a local file. So we will add an HTTP, and now let's again see. Here the link has been updated, and let's see. Now my net is a bit slow, so it will take a time, but now we know that it has been implemented. What we can do is that it will start loading on the same page. Now I want it to that when I click the link, it goes to another tab and opens a new tab and then goes to that link. How can we do that? We can simply add another attribute, which is the target, then assign the value as blank. Now what it will do is that it will simply open another tab and the link will start loading there. Now let's reload this and see. Here a new tab has been opened and the URL which I entered is now working. So now what I want is that the color inside the table, which is blue, be some other color. So what I can do is that I will add another attribute in the table tag, the BG color. So we will give it the value of light green, and done. Save. So here my table is now of green color inside, and I want that this name cell, only the name cell will be of pink color in its space. How can we do that? Is that here is the name, and the th where the name is specified, you have to keep it in mind. Here we will add another attribute which is the same as the previous, which is the BG color, and we will add here pink. So now let's save and see. Here my table is now looking a bit professional, as we have done some modifications by putting some cells, or attributes. So now I want this that my name consists of two cells, which is the two columns. So how can we do this? That we can add another attribute to this th, is that call span. Here call span equals to 2. Now let's save and see the output. Here you can see that my name is now merged with 2 cells, and another third cell is now the video types, and the 2 cells under that come below name cell. So that is how you can do this, and you can also do the same with, like I want to do with Ashmit Singh. I want this to be in 2 rows, like not 2 columns but 2 rows. You understand the difference between columns and rows? And now we will write row span equals 2. Now let's see the output. I haven't saved it yet. Yeah. Now it will not come because I haven't added another tr between that. Now we will add another tr and leave it blank. Let's see what happens. Okay. Here. Now I will add another, what I can say is td, like, wait, hi. Now here you can see that my 2 rows are now merged in the Ashmit Singh cell, and there are 2 additional cells in between them. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like this video and also comment down below and share it with your family and friends. If you're new to Techie Pizza, please subscribe by clicking the red button below, and also ring the notification bell icon so that you can never miss any update from us. This was Ashmit Singh from Techie Pizza, signing off.